Introducing Metal Arc Earth Clamp JK1 series. Some of the salient features include CE certified EN 60974-13. Heavy-duty body for greater conductivity. Best-in-class heavy-duty spring for positive contact at jaws. High clamping force ensures optimal current transfer. Rugged, sturdy, and durable design. Serrated jaw ensure maximum bite to the work. High-grade copper alloy. Large contact surface area. Suitable for easy ballpoint connection. Long, finger grip levered handles for easy jaw opening. Oxidation resistant. American design. Low maintenance and easy to use. 300 to 500 amps capacity. 100% made in India. ISI Marked.